Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the best Worx Pegasus work table that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about this products, please check the link in a description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Worx Pegasus. If so, today's Worx Pegasus work table and Sawhorse review might just give you some food for thought. With just a very modest investment, you can kit yourself out with a rock-solid bench that doubles up as a Sawhorse, offering you maximum return and a nice breadth of functionality. While Black plus Decker and Rockwell might dominate the workbench space, there's no harm in a little competition. Rather than going for the standard workmate review today, we'll give you the lowdown on the Worx Pegasus, a budget-friendly alternative that won't stiff you in terms of quality. Most woodworkers need a straight, flat surface for support and a pair of Sawhorses to complete the setup. What we would note front and center is that if you want the Pegasus to function as a Sawhorse, you will need to consider buying two of them, so factor this into your budgeting. That said, standing at 32 inches, you will easily be able to use the Worx in tandem with an existing Sawhorse of the same height, so don't get hung up on this or consider it a deal breaker. The Sawhorse will comfortably bear loads of up to 1,000 pounds. All you need to do is snap out the wings and you'll get a table surface ideal for power tools or lumber and supporting a generous 300 pounds. This might not be enough for really rigorous commercial use, but it's more than fit for purpose for any home woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Durability and build quality is rather impressive, particularly for a more affordable bench. The ABS plastic is surprisingly rugged while the stand is strengthened with aluminum. Despite this, the Pegasus weighs in at just 28 pounds, so it's light enough to carry around without straining yourself if the need arises. This is further eased thanks to the neat foldable design. The Pegasus is a breeze to stash in limited spaces when not in use. There are a couple of quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs chucked in so you can get going straight out the box. You might struggle with third-party clamps and fitments, so be prepared to stick with Worx accessories. The clamps can also slot into the aluminum tracks, serving up another dimension and turning your work table into a vise. You can slot the clamp dogs into 8 varied positions. For best results, you'll need to use these pegs in tandem with the clamps rather than as a replacement. The pegs are designed to hold regular 3/4 inch plywood, making it perfect for sanding flush to the edge. The quick release clamps can be used independently and they are highly customizable. Pressing these into action is a superb way to hold your material in place when you're using your circular saw. You'll be able to fix some power strips to the underside of the Pegasus so you can support any corded power tools you might have. The Pegasus is designed in such a way that, if you undertake more substantial projects on a regular basis, you'll be able to latch several work tables together. This gives you a fantastically large and adaptable working space if you have a bigger workshop to accommodate such an indulgence. If you're prone to misplacing your fixings and accessories, you can keep them in the nifty table cavities so everything you need is close to hand. We'll walk you through the leading advantages and drawbacks of the Worx Pegasus now, then you can determine if it's the best bet in terms of supportive equipment for your shop. Thank you for watching guys, I hope like you this videos. If this video helpful to you, please make comments and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.